So far, over 474,000 healthcare workers have been vaccinated. The new phase targets people over the age of 60. Our reporter Monique Mortlock joins us now from Melomed Gatesville Private Hospital in Cape Town. Good afternoon to you once again, Monique. So the last batch of J&J Sisonke vaccines have arrived in Melomed.
Yes, and it arrived to raucous applause by the healthcare workers who've been working here on the ground at Melomed in Gatesville day and night. That last batch of about 98 doses of that Johnson & Johnson vaccine. And I'm speaking to one of the lucky healthcare workers who managed to get in line for that last administration of the doses. So if I can just ask you, you just had your jab.
Yes.
What was the experience like? What time did you arrive here this morning when we start there?
I arrived around about 11 o'clock here. Sorry. I arrived around about 11 o'clock and I'm just finished now. It is 1 o'clock. And I was worried. You know, I'm not very good at injections myself, although I give injections as a healthcare worker. But this was quite a surprise. It was really not that bad. I will definitely come again if I need to.
And how do you feel being among the last here in the Western Cape to receive this Johnson & Johnson vaccine as part of the Sisonke study?
Yes, I know that I believe that I'm blessed and I'm lucky and whatever you can call it. Yeah, I'm very thankful that I could have it today.
And my last question, so what made you decide to get the vaccine?
Because I am in the front line as a healthcare worker. And to protect myself and to protect others, so that if I get infected, that I don't infect somebody else. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. And just your name and surname, please.
It's Cecil Adams.
Cecil Adams, and where do you work?
I work at one of the Kaelo clinics.
Thank you very much. That was Cecil Adams, one of the healthcare workers, and I just want us to quickly take a walk through what it looks like right now. My colleague Mario Pedro showing you that Sister Sapki there, who we spoke to just a couple of weeks ago when she was at the Groote Schuur Hospital, and you can see things have really sped up quite a bit. The workers on the ground trying to get those last doses, trying to just administer those as quickly as possible while still doing it according to those COVID-19 safety protocols and all the necessary regulations in place. A little earlier we spoke to Professor Linda Gale Becker from the Sisonke study, and we asked her how many other sites are still operating today and how far they are in reaching that target of vaccinating 500,000 healthcare workers. She said that in the Eastern Cape, there are still a couple of thousand doses that are still being administered, and that could take up until Tuesday. Once this facility is closed, the Sisonke study is just about done here in the Western Cape. And let's take a listen to what Professor Linda Gale Becker had to say a little earlier.
We are about, just a few thousand off the 500,000. There are some doses in the Eastern Cape that we'll be administering even on Monday, just because we're quite rural in the Eastern Cape, so we have to go further there. But essentially, yes, we will have wrapped up by the end of this evening. I think job well done. We're very, very proud of what's been accomplished. We set out to do this, and a small team, together with some wonderful vaccinators and vaccine centres, I think we've been able to accomplish it.
Monique, our colleague Heidi Jokos was saying earlier on that healthcare workers here in Johannesburg have been incredibly displeased with the way things have been done in terms of the vaccination this week alone. What has been the overall reaction from the healthcare workers down there?
Largely positive, a completely different picture to what Heidi gathered there in Joburg. Some of the healthcare workers who I spoke to off camera, who were outside, told me that they were here earlier in the week, but then they either made it a bit too late, or there weren't enough doses for that particular day, and they were then informed to come back today, and many of them have been able to get inside, and we have been told by Dr. Scott Mahoney, the clinical site head here in at Melomed in Gatesville, that any health workers who may have missed out on getting that jab today, their details will be taken down, especially if they have been standing in the line for quite some time, and they will be allowed to come back on Monday. We have heard from the health MEC, Noma French-Mbombo, that any of the health workers who may have missed out on being part of the Sisonke study, they will still get a chance to be among those people, those citizens who will still be vaccinated from Monday onwards. So the aim by the provincial health authorities is that no one is left behind, and that those who have registered, who have shown that they've been at the lines but maybe may have missed their chance to get inside, that they will still have a chance to be vaccinated come Monday.
All right, Monique, thank you very much. We'll leave it there for now. That is our reporter, Monique Motlach, coming to us from Melomed Gatesville Private Hospital there in Cape Town. Of course, we'll touch base with her a little later on, just to hear how things have gone with that very last batch of vaccines that has just arrived at that hospital.